The first objective of the summit was to elevate the prospects of Nigeria as an attractive destination for the UK. It was also for us to socialize with the UK the importance that we attach to that country as a strategic investment destination, as a strategic investment partner, as a strategic partner for trade for Nigeria. And I think in that sense, the summit achieved the objective. The second object was to specifically socialize specific opportunities that UK investors could take advantage of in Nigeria. Unfortunately, because of the pandemic, because of the restrictions on travel, the conversion of some of the conversations that were had at that event to capital has been slow, but those conversations continue. I mean, not surprisingly, the effect of restrictions on travel have meant that many trips that were planned, and many of them seem to have been scheduled in the late March, April period. You know, many of those trips have not happened, and they were look and see trips aimed at getting a better sense of what exists on the ground. But we continue to see UK interest in Nigeria, and in the latest report that we launched last week on investments announcements in Nigeria, not actual investments, but investment announcements in Nigeria, the UK remains, you know, one of the top 5 countries that we see in terms of investor interest in Nigeria. So the interest has been maintained. Obviously, there's a lot more work that needs to be done to convert those interests to actual investments. And I guess that is the work for NIPC. That is the work for all of us who work for government, especially in that interface between Nigeria and the UK. So I very much see Harriet and Emma as partners to work with shoulder to shoulder to convert these investment opportunities to actual investments.
It was excellent to have a UK Prime Minister in a room with so many African presidents and prime ministers and government and business leaders. And I think that you know, just set a really important tone and sent a really important message about how much we value the partnerships in business that we have and how much we are determined to help increase those flows. So it starts at the top, and I think that the opportunities for our leaders to talk to one another were really important. But we also announced nearly £16 billion of new deals on the day. Of new investment deals, new export deals. So to give a sense of actually how much dynamism there is across the African continent and with the UK. And in Nigeria alone, those deals came to over £320 million. So, you know, and across not just you know, the oil and gas sector, but across renewables and smart metering and, you know, all sorts of stuff. So I think, you know, an indicator of the breadth and the diversity and the potential that we see across Africa. And then we've done stuff since as well. So of those 16 billion pounds of deals, none of them have dropped away because of the pandemic. We are making progress across all of those, and I think that's really exciting and game changing. We've created the UK Africa Investors Group, which has met twice already, with a third just around the corner. We've got an online deal room platform that brings curated investment-ready investment opportunities from Africa to the UK investment community. And we've got a number of really exciting Nigerian prospects on that online deal room platform, around 30 or so. So really helping to drive investment flows by taking some of the pain and the sort of paperwork away by allowing that to be done elsewhere. So, you know, I think that there's all sorts of that kind of stuff happening. We also, one of the programs that was announced at the summit was the Growth Gateway, and we have pivoted that on the back of COVID-19, and in Nigeria and some other countries, we are really focusing on a program that supports existing investors, so that we are, you know, making sure that through these incredibly difficult times, we don't lose investors, because they are such an important platform and foundation for that relationship, and that we use that to inspire others. To encourage others to you know, consider Nigeria, consider elsewhere in Africa, take the plunge, and to work in partnership.
Okay, and that was a great summary for 1 minute. Thank you.